The 3D rotation glow tweeter speaker from Mercedes Benz from Aliexpress represents a fusion of innovative design, advanced technology, and uncompromising audio performance. Whether you're seeking to upgrade your car's audio system for daily commutes or long road trips, this accessory promises to deliver a heightened auditory experience that exceeds expectations. Installing the 3D rotation glow tweeter speaker is straightforward, thanks to its compatibility with various Mercedes-Benz models including the W205, W213, X253, W222, GLC, E, S, and C-Class. Aliexpress provides detailed product information and customer support to facilitate a smooth installation process, ensuring that even DIY enthusiasts can achieve professional-grade results. Beyond its acoustic capabilities, the speaker enhances the interior aesthetics of your Mercedes-Benz. The LED glow effect not only adds a touch of sophistication, but also serves a functional purpose by providing ambient lighting that complements your car's interior mood. The design language is carefully tailored to match the luxury and elegance inherent in Mercedes-Benz vehicles, ensuring a harmonious integration with the existing interior decor. Under the hood, so to speak, this tweeter speaker boasts impressive performance metrics. Engineered for Mercedes-Benz vehicles, it maintains high-fidelity sound reproduction across a wide frequency range, emphasizing clear trebles and well-defined mid-range tones. This ensures that every note and lyric is reproduced with exceptional clarity, whether you're listening to classical compositions or modern pop hits. The 3D rotation glow tweeter speaker from Mercedes-Benz W205, W213, X253, W222, GLC, E, S, and C-Class vehicles stands out as a testament to innovation and premium sound quality, available on Aliexpress.